many times have you waited at the stop with no information? While your fleet struggles with delays, complaints, and high costs, Urmob delivers simple integration and continuous support to turn those problems into efficiency and satisfaction. With Urmob.city, you can track everything in the palm of your hand. For transport companies, Urmob offers a complete SaaS with telemetry, video monitoring, and route management. Without technology, your company faces delays, complaints, and lost passengers. Cut costs, win passenger loyalty, gain a competitive edge, and achieve full fleet control with strategic data to grow. With the Urmob app for passengers and a dashboard for your fleet, you easily integrate operations and get continuous support for greater efficiency and control. With corporate shuttles, employees know the exact bus arrival time, more satisfaction and engagement. Urmob has already planted trees, reduced emissions, and offers carbon offsetting for its clients. We're developing an AI agent with gamification features to engage users. A consolidated platform, constantly expanding. Urmob.city, because your mobility matters.